Welcome to the Muscle Repair Shop. My name is Butch Phelps. I'm a functional massage therapist with more than 15 years of experience teaching people how to make their bodies more pliable to either stop their aches and pains or prevent them from happening in future accidents that could happen in their lives. My focus at the Muscle Repair Shop is to teach you how to make your body more pliable or to be more giving in the case of an impact. Let me explain. Traditional stretching, when we see that, we think of flexibility as making our bodies healthier. The reality is what we're doing with the traditional stretching is that we're putting the muscles under intense pressure, which is really no different than lifting a bunch of weights. And so under that intense pressure, the muscle is burning what's called an adenosine triphosphate, and it leaves a lactic acid waste, making your muscles hard and very dense. And what happens is that when there's an impact, even though you may be able to bend down and touch your toes, when there's an impact to your body, there's no give there. The muscles must be soft and they must be pliable. So when you think about the muscles and the pliability of them, think about how much the brain plays a role with that. When you think about your brain working with the muscles, when there is pain because you're pushing yourself to bend down and touch your toes, or you're forcing yourself, oh yeah, I've had some clients who force themselves into a split, you will tear something or you will pull something in your body because the brain sees that as extreme danger and contracts the muscles. So in essence, what you're trying to accomplish, you never will because you're fighting with your brain. What I teach you at the Muscle Repair Shop is how to soften those muscles and then lengthen those muscles in a very gentle way that allows the brain to see that those movements are actually safe. And what that does is it makes your body more pliable. So when you get into something like a car accident or you fall down, the body has some give to it. You don't have to have those injuries regardless of your age. We think of older people as if they fall down, my gosh, they're going to break a hip or they're going to break a shoulder or a knee. The reality is that their bodies have no give at all around the joints and the muscles themselves. And so when there's an impact to the body, something has to give, something has to tear, something has to break. One of the things that I've learned in my life is that once I had made my body more pliable and it could absorb the impact, I didn't have near the injuries that I've had previous. Give you an example. At 58 years old, 3 years ago, I was in a rear-end collision where a woman hit me at 50 miles an hour and never hit her brakes. In most cases, that would result in a whiplash in my neck. And yet I walked away from that accident, car totaled, and had no pain. I've had no problems with that in the last 3 years, only because I kept my muscles around my neck, my chest, my back, pliable prior to the accident, so my body had give. You can do that too, regardless of the age. I work on people in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and even their 90s. And you can get back that pliability, but it takes work. It takes work every single day, a few minutes at a time. Now hear me out. I'm not talking about a routine that you're going to have to go through for half an hour to an hour every single day. What I'm talking about is teaching you how to do little things throughout your day that can keep your body in a pliable state so that you can prevent injuries from happening literally before they actually could happen. If this interests you and you'd like to learn more about it, be sure to check out my other videos on this site. Every Friday I send out a new video, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so that every time a video comes out, you can hear what I talk about. And in each of the videos, I will discuss different topics of the human body and what causes most aches and pains for people, especially as they age. And I'll always leave in the description down below links to stretches that can help you with those particular problems. There's many simple solutions to things that we've created to make it so difficult in our lives, and it doesn't have to be that way. What if you could avoid elbow tendonitis and still enjoy playing tennis? What if you could play golf with no back pain? What if you could stop your plantar fasciitis in 2 to 3 days versus a month or 2 months down the road? We've seen athletes, including professional athletes, who have been off the field for 3, 4, 5 weeks with injuries that in my clinic, I've been able to help people get over in 2 to 3 days. And they might be 30 years older than those athletes. So if this interests you and you'd like to learn more, you can subscribe, ring that bell so you can see the videos. You're welcome to go to my website at musclerepairshop.com, sign up for my newsletter where every Tuesday I will put out 2 videos on stretching, as well as talk about specific things there as well that can help you keep your body more pliable. And until next time, see ya.